Have you ever pondered over the intricate patterns etched into the earth, visible only from the sky? What could be the purpose and the story behind the Nazca Lines of Peru? Welcome to the Enigma of the Nazca Lines, a series of colossal ancient geoglyphs sprawled across the Nazca Desert in southern Peru. These mysterious lines, some stretching over 9 kilometers, are unique in their visibility. They can only be fully appreciated from the sky, a viewpoint that the ancient Nazca people couldn't possibly have had. The lines form a myriad of shapes, from simple geometric designs to complex depictions of animals and plants. The sheer size and complexity of these geoglyphs raise intriguing questions. What tools did the Nazca people use to create them? What was their purpose? Were they intended as messages to the gods, astronomical markers, or something else entirely? Discovered in the 1920s, these enigmatic lines continue to baffle scientists and researchers even today. Imagine being in an aircraft in the 1920s and spotting these massive patterns on the ground. That's exactly how the Nazca Lines were discovered. These intriguing geoglyphs, etched into the high desert of southern Peru, were first noticed by commercial pilots whizzing overhead. It was like finding a secret message, written in a language that no one could decode. Initial studies were conducted by researchers such as Paul Kosak, who was fascinated by these sprawling sketches. Kosak, along with his dedicated successor, Maria Rika, spent years of their lives trying to unlock the mysteries of these lines. They proposed that the lines might hold astronomical or calendrical significance, suggesting the Nazca people had a deep understanding of celestial bodies. But as with any great mystery, the more you discover, the more questions arise. Despite their tireless efforts and groundbreaking theories, Kosak and Rika could not definitively answer the question that still baffles us today. What is the real purpose of the Nazca Lines? Despite initial studies, the real purpose of the Nazca Lines remained a mystery. Aliens and ancient civilizations, an intriguing mix, isn't it? Some believe that's the story of the Nazca Lines. Venture with us into this captivating theory as we delve into the minds of those who believe these enormous geoglyphs might just be more than an ancient civilization's masterpiece. One such advocate is Erich von Daniken, a name synonymous with the extraterrestrial theory. He suggests that these lines, some stretching more than 200 meters, could be landing strips for alien spacecraft. A bold claim indeed. These theories have stirred a great controversy, igniting a global debate. Some argue that the precision and scale of these lines are beyond human capability, especially considering the time they were created. They propose that these patterns could be signals or messages to extraterrestrial beings, possibly even a cosmic GPS. On the other hand, skeptics question the feasibility of such a theory. They argue that ancient civilizations were capable of remarkable feats, and that attributing their accomplishments to otherworldly beings undermines their ingenuity. The alien theory, as enticing as it may be, is not free from criticisms. Many experts in the field of archaeology and anthropology argue that there is a lack of concrete evidence to support such claims. These counter-arguments add yet another layer to the mystery of the Nazca Lines. While the alien theory fascinates many, it's not the only explanation out there. But isn't the beauty of a mystery in its unresolved nature, the thrill of the unknown? Science has a way of unraveling mysteries, and the Nazca Lines are no exception. As we delve deeper into the 21st century, modern technology and research methods are shedding light on these enigmatic geoglyphs. Many scholars now argue that the Nazca Lines were far more than mere decorative art. Some propose that these intricate designs were a form of ritual communication with the gods. The Nazca people might have created these lines to plead for water and fertility in the arid desert. Another theory suggests that the Nazca Lines were a map of underground water sources. The Nazca Desert is one of the driest places on Earth, and water was a precious commodity. The lines might have been a sophisticated hydrological map, guiding the Nazca people to hidden water reserves. In recent years, technology has played a pivotal role in studying the Nazca Lines. The use of drones and satellite imaging has revealed more lines, some of which were previously undetectable from the ground. These new discoveries are helping us understand the complexity and the sheer scale of this ancient project. It's important to remember that these theories are not mutually exclusive. The Nazca Lines could have served multiple purposes, each as vital and profound as the other. As research progresses, we may find more pieces to this intriguing puzzle. From a bird's-eye view to the lens of a satellite, the Nazca Lines continue to enthrall and mystify us. From their discovery to various theories, The Nazca lines certainly make for an intriguing tale. We've journeyed through their initial unearthing, delved into early studies, and explored the tantalizing theories of alien involvement. Our quest also led us to the cutting edge of research, offering fresh perspectives on this enigma. Yet, despite all our knowledge, we're still left pondering. Whether a message for the gods or the work of extraterrestrial beings, the Nazca lines remain a captivating mystery, etched in the sands of time.